Today I want to talk about something that we hear about, but we don't really do too much about it because we think there's nothing that can be done about it. I'm talking about stem cells. Now, we hear about stem cells during childbirth when the doctors tell you or give you an option whether you want to store the stem cells of your newborn baby, which is a really good idea. We hear about stem cell treatments when it comes to some complicated cancers, certain issues of the joints and hips and all of that stuff. That's where our knowledge ends with stem cells. But do you know that each and every one of us are built up of stem cells? Our immune system, for it to be efficient, is dependent on stem cells. So everyone's talking about immunity, all of that. That's great. Okay, but underlying immunity is something called stem cells, and we are made up of stem cells. Ever figured what grows and maintains your organs? Stem cells. Your liver is a collection of stem cells, your eyes, your hair, your skin, your heart. Every single organ in the human body is made up of stem cells. In fact, when the sperm and the egg meet together, it's a beautiful symphony of stem cells and angiogenesis that takes care of forming the fetus. So you see, we already consist of stem cells. And now let me give you a simple example of what happens. These stem cells are stored in the bones. And when the immune system gives a signal, all of these stem cells swarm out of your bone marrow like bees rushing to the spot that needs repair. So if I have damage in my lungs right now, what's going to repair it? Stem cells. If I have damage in my heart or my endothelial linings, like I have too much of plaque or too much of bad cholesterol, I'm going through a heart attack or a blockage, what's going to repair it? Stem cells. You fall down, you get a wound, what's going to repair it? Stem cells. You have brain damage, or you have damage because of the excess amyloid proteins in the brain that causes Alzheimer's and other brain issues. What's going to repair the damage caused by inflammation? Are stem cells. So now, can we get more of these stem cells, or can we maintain the stem cells that we already have in the body? So stem cells basically help us repair our organs. It is required for repair. You can have the best immune system, but if you don't have the right quality of stem cells, guess what? Your immune system may fight the infection, but you're eventually going to die because you don't have stem cells to repair the damage done to your endothelial cells, your arteries, and everything in the human body.
Want to release 300 million of your own stem cells? Go to the description now and use the link to get 15% off Stemregen Release. Your stem cells are waiting.